Imagine a moment of pure confusion, flashing lights, stern voices, and the sudden, jarring feeling of being detained. In that chaotic instant, what you know can become your most powerful shield. It is a shield forged not from steel, but from knowledge, the knowledge of your fundamental rights. For every Filipino, understanding these rights is not just an academic exercise. It is a vital necessity for safeguarding our personal liberty and ensuring justice prevails. These protections are the bedrock of a fair society, a line drawn in the sand between the power of the state and the freedom of the individual. They exist to protect the innocent and ensure that everyone is treated with dignity under the law. The concept of Miranda Rights is a promise that you will not be forced to stand alone against the vast machinery of the justice system. It ensures that you are not coerced into making statements that could harm you simply because you were unaware of your options. In the Philippines, these rights are deeply embedded in our own constitution, specifically in the Bill of Rights. They are a declaration that your voice, your silence, and your right to legal counsel are sacred. So, what exactly are these rights? The term Miranda Rights originates from a landmark 1966 U.S. Supreme Court case, Miranda v. Arizona. But here in the Philippines, the principles are enshrined in our 1987 Constitution, Article 3, Section 12. This is our country's version of the Miranda warning. It mandates that anyone under investigation must be informed of their rights. The police must recite these to you, usually in a language or dialect you understand. This is not a mere formality, it's a constitutional command. Failure to properly inform you can lead to serious legal consequences, like making a confession inadmissible. In the Philippines, the warning you should hear upon arrest is clear. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided for you. This is the core of your protection, your legal lifeline. Let's break them down. Right to remain silent means exactly that. You don't have to answer questions, explain, or make a statement. Your silence cannot be used as an admission of guilt. Anything you say is a direct warning. Your words can be used as evidence. So silence is often the wisest choice until you have legal guidance. Right to an attorney means a lawyer can be present during questioning. That right is absolute. Ask for a lawyer, and questioning must stop until they arrive. If you can't afford one, the state must provide competent counsel free of charge. These Miranda rights level the playing field and protect you in vulnerable moments. Knowing your rights is one thing, using them effectively is another. If you are ever arrested or brought in for questioning, stay calm. Panic is your enemy. It clouds judgment and can lead to rash decisions. Take a deep breath. Listen carefully to what the officers are saying. Remember, your demeanor matters. Be respectful and cooperative. Give your identity. Provide basic information if asked. But don't incriminate yourself. You can be firm in asserting your rights without being aggressive. Once informed of your rights, clearly state your intention to use them. The most powerful phrases are simple and direct. You can say, "I am exercising my right to remain silent." After stating this, stop talking about the incident. Do not try to explain. Do not try to negotiate. The time for that will come later, with a legal professional. The second crucial statement is, "I want a lawyer." Say this clearly and repeatedly if necessary. Once you invoke your right to counsel, all questioning must cease. Do not be persuaded to talk without a lawyer present. Remember, police are trained to investigate and gather information. They may use friendly tactics to encourage you to talk. Do not fall for it. It is a common misconception to view our constitutional rights as privileges granted by the state. They are not. These rights are inherent to our dignity as human beings and citizens. They are protections, not permissions. They exist to limit the power of the state and to shield the individual from overreach and injustice. The government does not give them to you. It has a duty to recognize and protect them. This understanding is key to changing our perspective. We should not feel hesitant or apologetic when we assert them. Teach our children, teach our friends, teach our communities. An informed citizenry is the strongest defense against tyranny and abuse. When everyone knows their rights, violations are more likely to be challenged. Think of it as personal and communal empowerment. Read about them, talk about them, commit them to memory. Share this information with your family, share it with your community. Public education on this topic is a civic duty. Our freedom and our system of justice depend on our collective vigilance. Remember this always, your rights don't defend themselves, learn them, live them. Your rights don't defend themselves, learn them, live them.